All right, so I already put them back in, but we can't do that and leave them because it won't work. So we're going to take off the back. I thought about just screwing them through the top and bottom, but there's really no room to get in there and do that. So these screws are super big, and I'm not disappointed at how these chairs put together. It's just that the sun on our front porch really bakes it, and that's where they are. So the afternoon sun just sits there and bakes and bakes and bakes. Alright, so here's our back. You might be able to see there's this gap. So I wonder if I loosen this up. Gotta take this piece out to get it straight down. I think I can. Let me do that. Just loosen that up a bit. A little bit more. I only want to take it all the way apart. There we go. So just set that over there. Tap that down. Let's see here. Put this on a bucket. I'm going to just drill straight down through the center of each rung. I already measured the drill bit. It needs to be all the way down. And these are just regular long, I don't know, 3-inch drywall screws. Nah, they're probably 2.5 inches. They're this big. Yeah. There we go. Number one, it's nice and tight. Been kind of putting this off for a while. Laziness factor. These are the dirtier ones. Oh, these are that's the top one. Go. That's nice and tight. I just want to keep it from falling out on people. Like me. Can definitely feel it when it hits that other piece. When I put these together, I was wondering if they were going to last, but so far this is the only problem. On one chair, by the way, not all of them, just on one. So this one was made on a Friday. I'll just do what I did there and go down the row here. Already had fun today putting in some posts. My arms are pretty sore. Mostly just moving stuff around. That's nice and tight. Looks good. Oh, it's much tighter now. I think this might work. And again, who knows? Might not work at all. Well, I really hate it that I can't play music while I'm doing this. But if you want to make a video, you can't play music. That one looks good. This plastic though, although it weathers extremely well. We've had a couple of the chairs for over 2 years. And then we bought this set this year earlier. Because they work so good. Alright, so there we are. It's all set. Let's put this piece back in. Because this has a screw here, I don't need to do anything else with that. Well, these 5-star bits, I think they're 5. Maybe they're, I don't know, 6. I don't know. The star bits, the deck screw bits, man, they work great for Allen heads too. They're wonderful. All right. So now we'll take this and put it back on. There's a notch that you can feel. I can imagine trying to take these off with the Allen head. Tap that up. Fits in there. Drive it home. And there we have it. Easy peasy. Not too bad. Hopefully that was all in frame. Looks like it was. Cool. 10 minutes, not bad. Chair fixing. Later.